Okay, I am making a lemon blueberry cake, Crockpot cake. That's a big important thing. Got my lemon cake here. I'm making my cake according to the directions. All right, so I've got my crock pot. I am greasing my crock pot. And I'm taking my pie filling, just regular blueberry pie filling. So technically this is what, 1, 2, 4 ingredients. So this is a 4 ingredient cake. Spread that all over. Oh, I love blueberry. Then I'm going to pour my cake mix. Then what we're going to do is we're going to turn this on and let it cook on low. Let's see, right here. Low, high. Do I do high or low? I'll do low. I'll do high. Recipe is in the description below.
This video is brought to you by our Dining on a Dime cookbook. We have quick and easy recipes your family will love to help you get in and out of the kitchen fast. Please visit us at livingonadime.com. It's 25% off.
Here it is all done. I did put a towel on top with the lid to get some of the condensation. Put a knife in the center. It's all done. Oh my goodness. That looks so delicious. Okay, so let's see what we got here. Oh, yum. Oh my goodness. Oh, that looks so delicious. Oh my goodness. Yum. Some whipped cream on top. Here, I'll use my small spoon to taste test. There. Oh, that is really, really good. I am making 3 ingredient peach cobbler with my cake mix right here. I am taking my peaches. I found these for $1 on clearance. I'm going to pour those in. Then some of the big ones, just going to chop those up. And we're going to take our cake mix. So I'm going to sprinkle it over the top. Then cut our butter up into small pieces. Now, if you want my original peach crisp recipe, that was my great-grandma's. Dining on a Dime Volume 1 has it. And we're going to place our butter all over the top. Then this part is optional, but if you want, you can sprinkle cinnamon and sugar all over the top also. Okay, now we're gonna cook this and show you our 3 ingredient peach cobbler. Okay, I took the lid off and let some of the moisture come out. Now, let's see here. This seems to be pretty moist, but if it's too moist, I might retest this with draining some of the liquid. So let's see what happens here. Well, it looks really good. Okay, so it looks really good. Let me see what it tastes like. Okay, it's really moist, but it's really delicious. I would put some ice cream and some whipped cream. If you don't like it super moist, then drain 2 cans of the peaches. But I like it this way. I'm gonna try a recipe for strawberry cheesecake lava cake. I'm just making this one up as I go. I've gotten into all of these lava cakes and I'm just gonna try all different kinds of flavors. So let's just see what happens. All right, got my strawberry cake mix and my eggs. And my oil. All right, and my water. All right, I got my crock pot here, and I'm gonna spray it with my cooking spray. My cake mix. Got my cake mix in. All right, then I got my cheesecake mix. Now, if you wanted a no-bake cheesecake, you could probably do that in our blue edition of our Dining on a Dime Volume 2. This one right here, I don't know why you wouldn't be able to use the cheesecake. I mean, it would probably work just fine. All right. So now I'm going to take my cheesecake and just pour it straight in the middle of my cake. Yum. Now we're going to put this in our crock pot and bake it. Strawberry cheesecake lava cake. Man, it smells really good. Okay.
A lava cake?
So,
it's a strawberry?
Strawberry cheesecake.
Ooh, that'll be interesting.
Ooh, yum. Oh
I've never
my.
had a non-chocolate lava cake before.
All right.
Ooh.
Okay. Here, oops. There for presentation.
So you
How's
gave
that
me
look?
the child-sized serving?
I did. Strawberry cheesecake lava cake. That's a new one. That's long.
Strawberry lava cheesecake. How about that?
Strawberry lava cheesecake, maybe.
But probably strawberry cheesecake lava cake is better SEO. Whoa!
Oh, is it still hot? Don't burn your mouth.
Talk about lava. Okay. Hold on a minute. Let me do another one that's not so hot.
Blow. Did you just burn the taste buds off your mouth?
No. Mmm. Yum.
It's got a different flavor. I would
It's
say
not
it's
quite as
almost
cheesecakey. It's almost more like a pudding cake.
vanilla-y.
Yeah, it's not like a cheesecake. It's like
Yeah.
a pudding cake.
It's like the strawberry negates the cheesecake, but it's still really
Is that
good.
what it is?
I think so.
Did you make this cheesecake from scratch or from that cheesecake stuff?
From pudding cheesecake.
It tastes more like a strawberry pudding.
Does it?
Not in a British pudding kind of way.
I don't know. I still like it though. I think it's really good.
It is good.
But it's more strawberry-y than cheesecake-y.
Yeah, it's more like pudding than
I'm
cheesecake.
making a peanut butter cake. I'm doing several recipes, so I'm just not going to even clean my stuff because I don't need to. So I am pouring in my cake mix and my water, my eggs. These are jumbo eggs, so I'm only using 2 instead of 3, but just follow the recipe. And then peanut butter. Calls for 1/2 cup of peanut butter. I'm just gonna guesstimate. That looks pretty good. And my butter. Oops, except I don't have my butter. Aha. All right, and my butter. All right, got my crock pot. And I'm spraying it with cooking spray. Love my refillable cooking spray. I will put it in the description. There we go. All right, I'm going to turn this on and let it cook. Okay, for our frosting, I have my peanut butter right here. Now I'm going to soften this in the microwave just a bit. Okay, so I have my jar of frosting here. This one is cream cheese, but you could use vanilla if you want. You could use chocolate if you want. I'm Just using a white frosting just because. You can do whatever you want. Okay, so now I'm gonna just mix this all together. Oh, yum. If you need to soften your frosting in the microwave for 5 or 10 seconds, you can. Oh, yum. Okay, I like the swirled effect, so I'm going to leave it like that. We've got our cake done. Now, I found some peanut butter chips that have been hanging around in my pantry that I was just like, I just want to get rid of these things. So I use those, maybe half a cup, but just stick a knife in. Comes out clean, just like any normal cake. And then we are going to spread this with frosting. Probably should have let it cool. That probably was not the smartest thing to do. Oh well, that's fine. Live and learn from Tara's mistakes. That's why I'm here, folks. Serve as a warning for others. Okay, there we go. Yum. Oh my goodness. That looks delicious. Oh, here we go. Okay, let your cake cool before you frost it, but oh, yum. Okay, that's a giant mess. All right, Jack, you want a taste test? You just got a Coke. BJ, you want a taste test? Nobody wants to taste test?
I can taste this a little bit.
I'm actually not feeling super great.
No. We got our
Okay, off-camera taste testing
cake
here.
paste here.
Well, I sort of dumped it in the bowl. Does it taste like chocolate peanut butter?
Ooh, that's really good.
Is it delicious?
Yeah. It's actually really like nice and warm and
Yummy?
yeah.
All right, another successful recipe. Yay! That is really good. Jack said it tastes kind of like lava cake. It's not as, it's very moist and delicious, but it's not as runny as a lava cake, but it tastes like a lava cake, like a peanut butter lava cake. Yum. I am making a sour cream chocolate crock-pot cake. It is summertime and it is hot. So I got my cake mix, my pudding mix. Now the recipe calls for 4 eggs, but I'm using jumbo eggs, so I'm only going to use 3 eggs. Water and oil. And the secret ingredient, yogurt or sour cream. Now, the recipe calls for sour cream, but I have this yogurt left over. It just appeared in my refrigerator. No one knows where it came from, so like, okay, I'm gonna use it for baking since nobody knows where it came from. Do you know where the yogurt came from, Jack?
Probably my brother.
Probably your brother.
Yep.
It wouldn't be your brother, would it?
Nope.
All right. And then my chocolate chips. I like to use the mini chocolate chips because they go further and you don't have to use as many. Got my crock pot. Spraying it with oil. Yes, if you want to use a liner, you can. There we go. Get it all spread out, and we are going to cover and cook this. The recipe is in the description below. So just so you're caught off guard, this is a spoon cake, and a spoon cake is similar to a lava cake, but it's not as runny, but it is very moist and very delicious. But don't be afraid if it's really gooey. It is cooked. It's just
super gooey. I like a lot.
Banana bread in my crock pot, cake mix, and my water, vegetable oil, and my eggs. Then my very ripe bananas. Now, if you don't have a cake mix, you can use our Dining on a Dime Volume 1 banana bread. Volume 2, the blue one, has variations on banana bread. But my original banana bread recipe is in Volume 1. I will link the recipe in the description below for both, but my banana bread is one of the top that people absolutely love. Got my spray oil. We're going to take our banana bread, pour it in. Then we're going to place a paper towel or a regular dish towel over your crock pot and put the lid on. We are going to bake this in the crock pot. Okay, got my banana bread and I think it's done. I'm gonna stick my knife in. Yep, nice and clean. Okay, who wants to test banana bread in the crock pot? Now, you can frost this, but I'm not gonna frost this one. Okay, so Jack wants to be my taste tester. Now this Jack wants to be my taste tester, but this is super hot. Can you record me while I'm getting a piece out? So my spatula is in the dishwasher. So get cut. Okay. This is very hard to do without a spatula. Okay, there we go. Ooh, 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 that looks delicious. Okay, we're gonna run over and get a plate. Okay, I won't show your face.
All right, let us see.
He paused his game to do this, to be here.
Yep. Is it fine if I eat this with my fingers?
Yes. You may eat it with your fingers.
Ooh, that's very good.
Is that delicious?
Yeah.
Now
That's
you can
really...
frost it with cream cheese frosting or white frosting if you want.
This would be good with cream cheese frosting. It's like really fluffy, actually.
Yay! Yummy, huh?
Yeah.